my friends, this is Daniel, Aldie, and today I want to talk with you about how to become an entrepreneur. Because so many people ask me, Daniel, how do I start a business? How do I actually live my dream and reach my full potential by utilizing my talents, my skills, my gifts, my abilities, and living it out through starting a business? And my friends, I want to share with you some ideas that will change your life and help you to understand the reality of what it takes to start a business. So listen up. Now before I start, I want to tell you about a recent experience I just encountered. I was at the mall and I was talking to a lady who worked at the bakery, and she was just a cashier, and I asked her, do you own this business? She seemed to be a charming lady and she had great command of the work that she was doing. So I asked her, do you own this place? And she said, I wish. Now my friends, so many people say this in life. They say, I wish I had a business. I wish I ran this operation. I wish I had the chance to have a company with my name on it. Now I'm only saying this because so many people will never understand the implications of what it actually takes to start and run a business. You see, they see the glory, but they don't see the story. They see the money, but they don't see the payroll. They don't see the taxes. They don't see the expenses or the rent. They don't see all the things that go into actually running a business. So my friends, if you want to start a business, if you want to become an entrepreneur, all I'm going to tell you is that you need to work on yourself first. You need to ask yourself, hey, you know what? What are my actual talents? What are my actual gifts? What are my skills? What is my background? What is my age? What do I have as capital to get started? And if I don't have the capital, can I raise the capital with having the right credit on my side? Because a lot of people want to start a business, they're not even close to being ready. They don't understand the diligence that it requires to get to the kind of business that they truly desire. Now I'm going to tell you straight up, the easiest way to become an entrepreneur is to have a product to sell and a story to tell. And with those two major elements, a product and a story or a brand, you need to convey to your customer that they need what it is that you're offering. Because if they don't feel like they need it, they're never going to buy. I have a lot of people who reach out to me who are trying to be entrepreneurs, and they tell me, Daniel, I've been trying to do this thing. I've been trying to start a business, but I have no luck. And the reason why they have no luck is because they don't understand the diligence required to have luck. You see, my friends, if you want to have luck, you have to understand your customers. You have to understand what they want. No one is going to buy without a motive. No one is going to buy without a need or desire. So in order to get started in business, there are three things that you absolutely need to know once you have a product and a service. You need to learn sales, you need to learn marketing, and you need to learn branding. You see, branding is showing people who you really are. Marketing is getting a whole bunch of people to see what your brand is all about. It's getting people to see who you really are. And sales is getting your customers to say, you know what? I actually need this product. I need this service. I need what this person is offering. And that is how you start a business, my friends. And once you get enough customers, you can begin to hire more employees, you can work on your product, you can work on your services, you can expand your business, and you can make a lot of money. And that's the glory that a lot of people see. But you have to start where you are. Now, if you want to start a bakery, then I would suggest to go look at 10, 15, 20 bakeries in your area and understand how their operations work. Spend a day there and talk with the owner and understand exactly what it takes to start a bakery. I would also say make sure to use your oven and bake some goods yourself and go try selling it door to door. Begin telling your story and begin delivering the product. Remember, it starts with two things: a product to sell, brownies, and a story to tell. Hey, I'm an entrepreneur getting started and I know you need some sweets. Once you're able to effectively convey this message and have your customers buy from you, then you will gain the confidence and the know-how necessary to take your business to the next level. And congratulations, because now you have a business. But don't be like that person who says, I wish I can get started. I wish I can get things moving. I wish I own this company. Because there's so many opportunities that you have right now to own the kind of company that you want to start. Now I want to tell you one more thing. 10% of people in the world are entrepreneurs. But not all 10% of those people have the kind of lifestyle that we tend to see on social media. A lot of times you see people showing off their cars or their girls or their big jumbo jets or their big houses. But that's not how it actually is for most entrepreneurs. There's only 1% of that 10%, or a couple thousand people in the world, who are actually living like that. So don't ever believe that when you start a business, you have to be all big and mighty. Don't ever believe that you need to have $1 million a year in order to start your business. Don't ever believe that you are not good enough to start right now. Now, if you want to become an entrepreneur, I want you to pull out a piece of paper and I want you to write down 3 things that you must begin working on right now. Work on these 3 things in the following week, and the next week, create 3 more things. Look, I don't care if you have a well-established business or you haven't even started yet. What matters is that you're working on new things every single week independently so you can get closer to the business goals that you really want. My friends, this is Daniel, and if you really want to learn how to start a business, I highly suggest you joining the School of Wealth. It's my comprehensive mentorship program that will absolutely change your life. As always, the link is in the description below. And if you want to reach out to me, please write me at info@danielalley.com. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and leave a comment in the section below saying yes if you're ready to start and grow your business. Again, this is Daniel Alley. Make sure to check me out on Instagram, and I look forward to watching you become the kind of person that you know you deserve to be.